Right, I'm ready. Fuck everyone else.
It's not like you, Nige. Go on in, Tintin.
Just look out for low-flying fucking Dutchmen and camper vans. Right, bastards on your left when you come past.
Sheep on the right.
Must be doing his bit.
Is that hail?
Got a whole giant of this.
As
Now that's a bit more like rain.
hey. Steve, you know I said I didn't want my waterproof coat.
We're in Scotland. Hey.
If you see anywhere, Ron, stop and I'll put the drone up.
A little bit light
There
rain,
it
a few
was,
bits of
short and
hail, and
sweet.
you're back in the sunshine again. Very nice.
Had 4 seasons in one day.
Yeah.
I can remember the last time we come up here and one of the groups said, "What's the weather for tomorrow?" I said, which hour are you talking
Yeah.
about?
I'm quite happy to sit behind you, mate. That's my job.
No, that's a bit of a drop in her. Beautiful.
Hey! I know you don't always like us behind you.
We can hear you.
Yeah.
See, what Alex wanted to say was, I was hoping I'd lost connection to the group.
Yeah.
Pothole there, deep fucker.
Right in the middle.
Yeah, that's the one, Nick.
On the left. On the left. One in the middle.
I mean, they should have fucking signs up on that, shouldn't they? Hidden dip.
Yeah.
Fucking hell. You disappear for a second or two.
Quite old of it all.
Look at it, bone dry here, look.
Yeah.
Well, up there you going, Stephen. Too busy looking at the bloody scene, weren't I?
Yeah, don't bother with that waterproof coat, Steve.
I bet Steve's wearing it.
He's
Oh,
probably
yeah,
ain't even
well,
seen that, Ben, hasn't he? No, he hasn't.
What are they?
Birds.
No shit,
He's
Sherlock.
got a split second, well in the road.
Ah, this is Lead Hills. Lead, yeah. They're very inventive with them.
Dinner.
Still clear.
Clear. Clear.
And remember, 20 is plenty.
Dear bollocks.
Just enjoy yourself, mate.
Tufty Club, yeah. Nick still got it on his
I
fucking
still got
head.
it.
All right, Tintin. Are we all together? We got all 9.
No.
Right old bit of weaving and ducking, isn't it? Yeah. Cool, fucking hell, yeah. Ho, ho, ho. Right, go buy me, Nick, and I'll mark it.
Alright.
No, I mean I'll get off and put me centre around. Can you see me? We're hanging it right down here.
Okay.
Mind as you come there, the road surface is absolute shite. There they are. Look at that, look, they've even got to put fucking barbed wire to stop the fuckers climbing up and nicking the light bulbs. What's that flying around? Is that a kite?
I was too busy looking at that excavator.
Maybe it's an eagle. Isn't it funny? You see all this shit that you see on Google Street View in real life.
Oh, tea, coffee.
Oh, where are you?
Up here.
Oh, they're having a coffee.
Where?
Up behind that fence there.
Up here? Well, I mean, if you mention coffee, that's fucking got to be done. Strange little houses the locals live in. Fucking hell, he must have come round there and he fucking jumped over than I did yesterday, look. Look up in the tree.
Oh my god, yeah.
Steve, you've got to get with the local lingo. It's not head, it's heed.
I think someone's had a prank behind you lot. Bloody bike in the tree.
Yeah, bike parking's up there, Steve.
Yeah, I see it.